Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the last day of CLE credits. I'm not going to be offended if we have a large number of people here to meet those credits and maybe not perhaps digital evidence, but hopefully this will be useful for you. My name is Kellam. I'm an attorney based out of Virginia Beach. We actually have 3 offices, 2 in Virginia, 1 in North Carolina. And I've been practicing law for about 26 years. I've been doing family law for 24 of the 26. And I've been a litigator my whole career. And so I focused a lot of my time on, I'm known as sort of a tech lawyer as well. So hopefully the information that I have here pertaining to digital evidence will help. So it's all about managing digital evidence, specifically in Virginia as to family law cases. What I want to talk about today, we're going to define what ESI, or electronically stored information, is. I'm going to go through the Virginia Civil Rules of Procedure and how they deal with ESI. Then I'm going to talk about ESI litigation issues. So how to get it, how to be informed, how to stay educated. Preservation of ESI is important. How do you get it in discovery, or how do you stop people from getting it in discovery, as the case may be. And then how to use or at least handle ESI at trial. Now, one of the things, when I do a lot of CLEs, and one of the things that I always like to do, I don't like giving just bullet point slideshows, especially when the entire materials you get are from the slideshow presentation. So I'm breaking every rule of good slideshow presentations, and that these are very text heavy, but I did that on purpose. So I promise that I know how to make an attractive presentation, but I did this so you can go back and use this hopefully as a reference guide. So I apologize for the walls of text that are coming. But so what is ESI, right? So electronically stored information, or ESI, is any, basically, as it sounds like, any electronically stored information. It's rapidly evolving as technology changes, as you can imagine. Often contains important information, especially for a family law case. So I'm sure if you've handled family law cases for any period of time, you may have won or lost a case on digital evidence, text messages, of course, parental apps now, pictures. Always surprised at what people take pictures of. Social media certainly is a big one. There's just a lot of evidence there for your family law cases. And you need to understand how the Virginia Rules of Civil Procedure treat it, because that's obviously where you are when you're doing Virginia family law cases. And it's almost anything you can think of, right? So it's documents, spreadsheets, images, recordings, instant messaging files, social media accounts, emails, huge. When I started practicing law, email obviously was around, but it was relatively newish as far as people used. There wasn't really social media yet. That was before days.